Welcome friends. Today we are gonna replace the screen for iPhone 8 Plus. First thing you do is power off your device.
And remove those two screws. And use this opening tool. Gently peel off. Remove the screen from the frame. Just make a way there. There you go.
So once you pull out the screen from all the places, it opens like a book, just like that. And then we're gonna remove these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws.
And remove the battery. Remove the battery cable and remove these cables. There you go. And then you've got to remove these two screws as well. There you go. Remove this cable. Now the screen is apart. We got to remove the frame, home button, and the ear speaker. So first thing first, we will remove the home button. Remove these three screws. And you can use a opening tool and hold the base of this cable just like that, and then clip off the home button from the LCD. So it looks like this. So remove this. We're gonna heat up a little bit on the home button, this side of the LCD. Don't go in the middle, just heat up a little bit here. And slowly lift the home button. Don't damage the home button because this is married to the motherboard. So just press it this way and then home button comes apart like this. Put it aside, and then we are removing these screws. Just lift this frame holding the ear speaker, remove the ear speaker, and you can use the screwdriver to gently lift this connector. Take your time. There you go. And we're going to use the tweezer to poke on the right corner, exactly corner, and lift the front camera and the sensor. Don't leave any marks. Okay, there you go. So it came out, and we're gonna use the screwdriver, the flat screwdriver, to gently lift off from the adhesive. Yeah, take your time. There you go. Alright, so now we got the brand new screen we're gonna install. So we already have a sheet frame. We just need to install the speaker and the home button. So first thing first, we're gonna install the home button. We're gonna put the home button this way. There you go. Put it this way and keep it on the frame properly. You can use some tools and put this, clip the cables of the home button. There you go. Yeah, it's stuck. I'm gonna put the frame back. So home button is back. Now we're gonna put the cable, the headphone, the sensitive, set the sensor. So remove the sticker from here. So align this to these two hooks right here. There you go. These two hooks in the back, and then put the sensor in its place. Put the speaker. We're gonna put it like this, and these connections should be here, right? So put it here, just like this. There you go. Then connect. There you go. It's all in its place. Now screw it.
Now we are gonna put back the LCD. First we will put this cable back. You can see, hold it, use these techniques, and until you hear that little click button on the cable, then you connect these two cables. There you go. And the last one. all connected, and connect the battery button over here. There you go, all connected. Let's do the testing. Power on. There you go. And put back those covers. And put back this one too. So once you put all the covers, put the LCD screen back, just hold it parallel to this frame, align it properly, and then just press it a little bit. Don't press harder. And now put back those two screws. There you go. That's it, guys. We successfully completed the installation of LCD for iPhone 8 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please like my videos and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Have a good one. Stay safe.